everybody, hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you if your Windows laptop was stuck on lock screen signing screen, so the mouse is not working, as you can see guys. Also the keyboard is also not working. So if you are also facing the same type of problem issue, so this video is only for you. Watch this video till end very carefully. So this issue happen when Windows freeze at login, keyboard driver crashes or mouse driver crashes, touchpad stop responding, system fail to load input services. These are the main reason behind this error. So if you are using any wireless mouse like connected via Bluetooth, so you don't need to use this. You need to use any external mouse which have this kind of receiver. Okay, you can use wired mouse and keyboard also. Just need to connect this receiver to your laptop and try to use your mouse. It will 100% fix your problem. So as you can see guys, the mouse is now working. You can also use the external keyboard like this. In case if you don't have any external keyboard and mouse nearby you, at that time guys, you can try this method. Now you need to force restart your laptop. This is most important guys. Okay, to do this guys, press and hold power button for 10 to 15 seconds. Your laptop will turn off. Now turn it on again. This will 100% fix your problem. So as you can see guys, now my internal touchpad was working very fine. By this method guys, you can also able to fix your problem. Still the problem is same guys. Now you can try the next method. In your lock screen, now you need to press Ctrl Alt and Delete button. Okay, hold Ctrl key button, Alt key button, and then press Delete button from your keyboard. So it will open the power menu, lock, switch, sign out, change password, task manager. So from here you need to restart your laptop. Okay, choose the restart button and it will restart your laptop. After restarting, it will 100% fix your problems. That's how you can fix laptop stuck on login screen with keyboard not working or mouse not working. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to Techify channel for more useful tech solution. Catch you in the next one. Thank you.